And the mood is electric in Banaras, from where my colleague Swati Joshi is joining us, and she's leading the coverage for Times Now on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mega roadshow. Over to you, Swati.
Thank you very much, Sagarika. Good evening to all our viewers. We're joining you live from Varanasi, where in just 1.5 hours from now, the Prime Minister's roadshow is going to begin. Now, it is much more than a roadshow. On display is going to be the development work that has been done, the achievements of the centre in the past 10 years. Now, let's take you through this entire route. It's a 5-kilometer long roadshow. Behind me, what you can see is the statue of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, the educational reformer, the co-founder of BHU, somebody who's contributed in the making of modern India. The Prime Minister will first be paying tribute to Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, and from here the roadshow will begin at around 5:30, and then it will go through Assi, through Sonarpur, Jangambadi, Godolia Chowk, Bans Phatak, and then it will conclude at the Kashi Vishwanath temple, where the Prime Minister is going to offer prayers. Now, like the Prime Minister himself has said, in 2014 he came here as a candidate. It was all decided at the very last minute, and when he was asked about contesting from Varanasi, he said, मैं ना यहाँ आया हूँ, ना मुझे यहाँ किसी ने भेजा है, मुझे माँ गंगा ने बुलाया है. In 2024 the Prime Minister says कि माँ गंगा ने मुझे गोद लिया है, and he is the son of माँ गंगा who is coming here as a candidate. Now, in all the rallies till now, the Prime Minister said, आप जो वोट करेंगे वो मोदी को जाएगा. But from Varanasi he is a candidate. Let's listen into the reactions that we are getting and the reports that our colleagues have filed.
वाराणसी के सियासी समर में अब देश के सबसे बड़े नेता और मौजूदा सांसद प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की एंट्री होने वाली है. प्रधानमंत्री वाराणसी से अपना सियासी प्रचार शुरू करेंगे और सबसे पहले वो 13 मई को रोड शो करेंगे, और इसके लिए जो तैयारियां हैं उसको अब अंतिम रूप दिया जा रहा है. इस वक्त हम लंका चौराहे पे मौजूद हैं, और जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अपने रोड शो की शुरुआत करेंगे तो सबसे पहले वो यहीं पर आएंगे और यहाँ पर मदन मोहन मालवीय जी की जो प्रतिमा है वहाँ पर माल्यार्पण करेंगे, और इसके बाद जो उनका रोड शो होगा वो शुरू होगा. सबसे पहले वो यहाँ से संत रविदास गेट पर जाएंगे, और इसके बाद जो काफिला होगा, जो रोड शो होगा, वो एक एक आगे बढ़ता हुआ जाएगा और काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर पर जाकर खत्म होगा. लगभग 4 किलोमीटर का ये लंबा रोड शो है, और कहा यह जा रहा है कि लगभग 5 से 8 लाख जो लोग होंगे वो इस रोड शो में शामिल होंगे. बीजेपी ने इस रोड शो को मेगा इवेंट के तौर पे बदल दिया है. लगभग 4 किलोमीटर के दायरे में 100 जगह पे ऐसे पॉइंट्स बनाए गए हैं जहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के ऊपर गुलाब की पंखुड़ियां बरसाई जाएंगी. इसके अलावा जो महिला कार्यकर्ता हैं, जो मुस्लिम समाज के लोग हैं, जो व्यापारी वर्ग हैं, हर कोई अपने अपने अंदाज में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत करेगा. तो निश्चित तौर पे बनारस के लिए ये खास पल है, और यही कारण है कि इस खास पल के लिए बीजेपी ने भी खास तौर पे तैयारियां कर रखी हैं. खुद केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह पिछले 24 घंटे से वाराणसी में डेरा डाले हुए हैं, और वो एक एक तैयारी की बारीकी से निरीक्षण कर रहे हैं. सबसे पहले अगर हम इस लंका चौराहे की आपको तस्वीरें दिखाएं तो आप देखिए कि पूरे इस चौराहे को केसरिया झंडे से बिल्कुल काट दिया गया है. इसके अलावा सड़क के दोनों किनारों पर आपको बैरिकेडिंग्स मिलेगी, लेकिन जगह जगह पर जो बीजेपी के झंडे हैं वो लगाए गए हैं. इसके अलावा जगह जगह पर कुछ पॉइंट्स बनाए गए हैं जहां पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत किया जाएगा. तो जब देश के सबसे बड़े नेता अपने संसदीय क्षेत्र में चुनावी प्रचार का आगाज करेंगे तो बीजेपी की कोशिश यही है कि इस शो को मेगा इवेंट में तब्दील किया जाए. आप देखिए, जहां तक आपकी नजर जाएगी सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको बीजेपी के ही झंडे यहां पर नजर आएंगे. और पिछले दिनों हमने देखा भी कि जिस तरीके से जमीन से लेकर आकाश तक पूरा का पूरा जो काशी है वो उसका माहौल जो है वो मोदीमय हो चुका है. ड्रोन के जरिए भी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की जो 10 साल की उपलब्धियां रही हैं, खासतौर से बीजेपी के अंदर, काशी के अंदर, उसको दिखाया जा रहा है. तो अब वक्त आ गया है कि काशी किस तरीके से अपने प्रधानमंत्री और अपने देश के सांसद को, काशी के सांसद को मेगा गिफ्ट देती है, और इसके लिए बीजेपी ने पूरी तैयारी कर रखी है. कोशिश ये की जा रही है कि लगभग 5 से 8 लाख जो लोग होंगे वो इस रोड शो में शामिल होंगे और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के प्रति जो अपना समर्थन है वो दिखाएंगे.
Here right now at the Lanka gate, you will either hear Modi Modi, Modi Zindabad, or you will hear Har Har Mahadev. That's what this journey is also about. From Mahamana to Mahadev, the 5-kilometer long road show of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let me quickly give you a bird's eye view of what it looks like here right now. The SPG officials have taken their place. You have the UP police officials here as well. BJP supporters, senior BJP netas on the streets to ensure that everything is smooth. And there, behind the barricades, if you, my camera person can please focus over there. Behind the barricades, you see the Aam Aadmi of Kashi that has turned up in large numbers on the streets to just catch one glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and to welcome him. And in fact, there are multiple points made between Mahamana's statue to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, where leaders of all communities are going to gather and shower rose petals at Prime Minister Narendra Modi to welcome him. We have Pragya and Mohit joining us in the broadcast. We also have political commentator and strategist JVC Sriram. Let me first go across to our reporters. Mohit, ecstatic, electric, all those words being used. And like I said, you either hear Modi Zindabad or you hear Har Har Mahadev at this point in entire Varanasi. That's how the mood is.
Well, Swati, I could not hear your question because the atmosphere is quite electric over here. But right now, I'm standing just a few meters away from Kashi Vishwanath temple. And you can see various such points have been made by the BJP. Around 100 such points have been made by the BJP where these cultural performances will be taking place. Now, we see that how Varanasi is called Mini India. People from various communities live over here, and hence every single community which lives in Varanasi will be getting a representation at all these points. So we can see that how various cultural programs are taking place. I'll ask my camera person Pankaj to move towards the iconic Nandi Stupa Chowk over here and look at these visuals, that how exactly it has been all decked up to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. You can see that how at all the buildings over here, huge posters of Prime Minister Narendra Modi have been put up. And one line that the BJP has been saying this, and people of Varanasi have been saying this, that Hamar Kashi, Hamar Modi. So these are the all posters that have been put up over here by the BJP. And look at the visuals over here. It's like that is something festive atmosphere completely over here on that side. At the chalk, you can also see that how, again, cultural performances are taking place. So we try to just speak to few people, BJP leaders, that what exactly they have to say. Sir, भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता हैं आप लोग, कुछ ही देर में प्रधानमंत्री आ रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
प्रधानमंत्री जी का काशी के नगरी में बहुत बहुत हम लोग स्वागत अभिनंदन करने के लिए यहाँ आए हैं, क्योंकि इन्होंने सनातन बहुत तेज है। मोदी जी के स्वागत में हम लोग अपना सारा काम धाम छोड़ करके और नौकरी से छुट्टी लेकर के आए हैं स्वागत करने।
हमार काशी हमार मोदी हर जगह लिखा हुआ है यहाँ, हमार काशी हमार मोदी। क्या मैसेज है बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता पर? लोग क्या कह रहे हैं? कार्यकर्ता आप देख रहे हैं कि धीरे धीरे जुट रहा है। शाम तक उम्मीद है कि कम से कम 10 लाख कार्यकर्ता यहाँ जुटेंगे। अब भव्य स्वागत किया जाएगा।
हम लोग उत्साहित हैं। और
अच्छा, as you can see, the kids are also decked up over here. They have come to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Sir, Mohit, well, you are definitely getting us a sense of what's happening there on ground in terms of the sentiments and the love and affection that people have for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who himself has said that he is a Banarsi now. वो खुद बनारसी बन गए. We have Pragya as well on the broadcast. Pragya, senior party functionaries, workers on the ground, 10 lakh of them, all ensuring that the road show takes place very smoothly. Also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a candidate from here. So far in all the rallies, he's been saying, "Aap jo bhi vote denge, wo Modi ko jayega." But from here is the candidate, and he has now through the road show also on display is going to be the development work. So this is brand Banaras.
Absolutely, Swati. Brand Banaras, brand Modi, both are equivalent, and they can replace each other at any point of time, because people of Banaras believes that Modi is Banaras and Banaras is Modi. He is our family, and that is why the slogan "Hamar Banaras, Hamar Modi." This is the only reason why this slogan has been given, and not just that in Banaras, because everyone knows that Prime Minister does not need to campaign here, but he's coming here to seek blessings of the people. And in fact, as one of a very young voter who was the first time voter, he told me that he has come to see the the MP of the constituency. वो अपने MP को देखने आए हैं. And he does not mention him as Prime Minister Modi. He said हमारे MP हैं, बहुत विकास किया है. This is the feeling on the ground. There is lot of cleanliness, lot of economy boom, and also lot of development and growth that people have seen. The kind of people visiting Kashi Vishwanath corridor that was inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi, the kind of footfall that you see in Banaras, it's it's another level. And also people believe that the face of the Banaras has completely changed. And if you look at the flags, there are so many BJP flags. People have come here just to get a glimpse, irrespective of age. There are kids, they are senior citizens. And when Prime Minister will start this roadshow here, this needs to be very massive, and this is why the scale has been has been gone up many levels, because of the fact that
it's not just any other roadshow, and it will be actually unfair to call it just a roadshow, because through this roadshow on display, and with the use of technology as well, because every evening with the use of drones on display is the mammoth work done by this government. We have JVC Sriram as well. JVC Sriram, let's decode this a bit. This massive response for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is it because he is the Prime Minister seeking a third term? Is it because he is a candidate from Varanasi seeking a third term? Or is it because of the development work done in Varanasi? Because in the last 10 years, he has visited Varanasi multiple times with a gift every single time, launched projects worth hundreds of crores. And it's not just a spiritual center anymore.
It is a combination of all the three. See, I think, I can tell you one thing, that the last 10 years, what Varanasi has seen, it is an ample proof that the prime ministers who came before Narendra Modi, if they had done these kind of development work, what kind of development India would have seen? A Raebareli, an Amethi, or for that matter, any of those places. It is a wasted opportunity. So I have visited Varanasi recently as December 5th, after the December 3rd elections results were over, and I've seen the kind of Kashi corridor. And today, we need to also keep in mind that Mr. Modi is going to cover in the same route covered by Adi Shankaracharya 1200 years back. It will cover 28 temples, 40 ghats, 60 ashrams, 23,000 homes, 18,000 commercial places, and 256 small temples. Now, you need to understand that Shri Narendra Modi has got eye for details. He does everything with a minute plan in his mind. Now, you look at this route itself. He has chosen what Shankaracharya 1200 years back, his yatra when he came to Varanasi, what he had covered. And what people are going to witness today is that Kashi corridor. What was Kashi before 2014 and what is Kashi now? You talk to the Nishad, the boatman community
if you ask the devotees who are now coming to Varanasi and have been here before the corridor was made, they'll tell you that they had to make their way through narrow lanes and by lanes. And now Mahadev has been connected directly to Mahaganga. Kashi Vishwanath temple directly connected with the ghats with the help of the corridor. Let's play out these visuals for you. Very interesting visuals coming in of the Nari Shakti wave that you see here. These are of course, women BJP workers out here on the streets now to show their support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, this roadshow is just one part of the campaign of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There's a booth victory campaign that has also been launched, wherein responsibility has been given to all the booth workers to contact each and every home. And this extensive campaigning is happening on ground. This area now has been cordoned off. I'll ask my camera person to pan just a bit towards the right, because that street, that road that the Prime Minister will be taking after garlanding the statue of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya has been vacated as well. Massive deployment of the police personnel there. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. We'll be back with these visuals and we'll get you more reactions on the other side. Do join us.